You ready for bedtime?
I said, do you wanna fight? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time.
I will always love you how I do.
能遇到咱们适合走运，深更半夜在这种地方出没，也不是什么良家百姓。你怎么知道人家不是好人？I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!